Imagine a creature so irresistibly cute it could melt even the coldest of hearts. Got it? Now picture it clinging to a tree, munching on leaves with the most nonchalant expression ever. You've just imagined a koala, one of Australia's most iconic and adored animals. They're like living teddy bears, but with a penchant for eucalyptus and a knack for sleeping up to 22 hours a day. Koalas, with their fluffy ears, button noses, and endearingly clumsy demeanor, have captured the hearts of people worldwide. They're more than just cute faces. They're fascinating creatures with unique adaptations and a crucial role in their ecosystem. Join me as we delve into the adorable world of koalas, exploring their quirky habits, fascinating lifestyle, and the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. Get ready for a healthy dose of cuteness overload as we uncover the secrets of these captivating creatures. By understanding and appreciating these remarkable animals, we can all contribute to their conservation and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the cuddly ambassadors of Australia. Now let's get up close and personal with these furry wonders. Imagine a creature about the size of a toddler, covered in thick woolly fur that ranges from a silvery gray to a rich chocolate brown. Their big fluffy ears and round black noses give them a perpetually surprised expression that's hard to resist. But don't be fooled by their cuddly appearance. Koalas are perfectly adapted for their arboreal lifestyle. Their strong muscular limbs and sharp claws make them expert climbers, allowing them to navigate the branches of eucalyptus trees with ease. And check out those paws. They're like tiny, built-in mittens, specially designed for gripping smooth branches and holding onto eucalyptus leaves. They even have 2 thumbs on their front paws. That's right, these evolutionary marvels boast an extra opposable digit, giving them a vice-like grip that would make any rock climber envious. And let's not forget their thick, padded bottoms, perfectly designed for comfortable perching on tree branches for hours on end. So, the next time you see a picture of a koala, take a moment to appreciate the intricate details that make them perfectly suited for their life among the eucalyptus trees. If you were to dine with a koala, be prepared for a limited menu eucalyptus leaves and lots of them. These furry gourmands are incredibly picky eaters with a palate dedicated almost exclusively to these fragrant leaves. But hold on, eucalyptus leaves are notoriously low in nutrients and packed with toxins that are poisonous to most animals. So, how do koalas manage to survive on such a diet? Well, they've evolved a specialized digestive system that allows them to detoxify the harmful compounds found in eucalyptus. Their gut contains a special type of bacteria that breaks down the toxins, making the leaves safe to eat. Even with their specialized digestion, koalas are still very selective about their eucalyptus. They prefer certain species of eucalyptus trees and often favor leaves from specific parts of the tree. Talk about being picky eaters. Their selective diet might seem limiting, but it gives them a competitive advantage. By specializing in a food source that few other animals can stomach, koalas have carved out a unique niche for themselves in the Australian ecosystem. Ever wondered what it's like to be a koala? Well, picture this: you wake up slowly and groggily after a solid 18 to 22 hours of sleep. Your stomach rumbles, reminding you of your one true love, eucalyptus leaves. You lumber over to a nearby branch, grab a mouthful of leaves, and munch away, savoring the pungent aroma and the familiar taste. After a hearty meal, you might feel a surge of energy and decide to climb to a higher branch, seeking a better view or a more comfortable spot for your next nap. But let's be honest, most of your day will be spent snoozing. Life as a koala is all about conserving energy, and what better way to do that than by sleeping for the majority of the day? This leisurely lifestyle might seem a bit uneventful, but it's perfectly suited for their low-energy diet. Eucalyptus leaves are notoriously low in nutrients, so koalas have to conserve their energy by limiting their physical activity. Who knew that being a couch potato could be so beneficial? Koalas are synonymous with Australia's iconic eucalyptus forests, and for good reason. These forests provide everything a koala needs: food, shelter, and a place to call home. From the coastal regions to the inland woodlands, koalas have adapted to thrive in a variety of eucalyptus habitats. They build their homes in the forks of trees, high above the ground, where they feel safe and secure. But sadly, these vital habitats are facing increasing threats. Deforestation, bushfires, and human encroachment are destroying the forests that koalas rely on for survival. As their homes disappear, so do these precious creatures. Climate change is another growing concern, with rising temperatures and more frequent droughts putting additional stress on koala populations. The loss of habitat also forces them into closer contact with humans and other dangers, such as cars and predators. The situation is dire, but there is still hope. By raising awareness about the plight of koalas and supporting conservation efforts, we can help protect these remarkable creatures and their fragile habitats. Get ready for an overload of cuteness as we delve into the world of koala babies, affectionately known as joeys. These tiny bundles of fluff are born blind, hairless, and about the size of a jelly bean. Talk about needing a lot of TLC. Luckily, Mama Koala is well equipped to care for her tiny offspring. Remember that pouch we talked about earlier? Well, it plays a crucial role in a joey's early life. After birth, the blind joey instinctively crawls into its mother's pouch, a safe haven where it will spend the next 6 months of its life, developing and growing. Inside the pouch, the joey feeds on its mother's milk and enjoys a warm, secure environment, protected from the elements and potential predators. As the joey grows bigger and stronger, it will start to peek out from the pouch, its big, curious eyes taking in the world for the first time. Around 6 months old, the joey will venture out of the pouch for short periods, clinging to its mother's back or belly for transportation and protection. This is a crucial time for the joey, as it learns essential life skills from its mother, such as how to climb, forage for eucalyptus leaves, and avoid danger. The bond between a mother koala and her joey is incredibly strong, lasting for about a year, until the joey is old enough to fend for itself. It's a heartwarming reminder of the strong maternal instincts present in the animal kingdom. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover some fascinating trivia about our cuddly friends, the koalas. These fun facts will make you appreciate these quirky creatures even more. Did you know that the word koala comes from an Aboriginal language and means no drink? It's a bit of a misnomer, as koalas do drink water, but they get most of their hydration from eucalyptus leaves. Talk about a refreshing beverage. Koalas have fingerprints that are so close to humans that they could taint crime scenes. Forensic scientists, beware. Those adorable fluffy ears aren't just for show. Koalas have excellent hearing, which helps them detect predators and communicate with each other through a range of grunts, squeaks, and bellows. And if you thought their sleeping habits were impressive, get this: koalas have one of the smallest brain-to-body size ratios of any mammal. Maybe that explains why they're always so sleepy. Despite their cuddly appearance, koalas are surprisingly strong for their size. Their sharp claws and powerful limbs allow them to defend themselves against predators, and even deliver a nasty bite if threatened. These are just a few of the many fascinating facts about koalas. Their unique adaptations, quirky behaviors, and undeniable cuteness make them one of the most intriguing and beloved animals on our planet. Sadly, our adorable koala friends face an uncertain future. Habitat loss, disease, and climate change threaten their survival. The Australian government lists koalas as endangered in several parts of the country, but it's not all doom and gloom. Many dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect koalas and ensure their survival for future generations. Conservation efforts include habitat restoration, the creation of wildlife corridors to connect fragmented populations, and research into koala diseases and treatments. There are also rescue and rehabilitation centers that care for injured or orphaned koalas, nursing them back to health, and releasing them back into the wild whenever possible. These efforts are making a difference, but more needs to be done. We can all play a part in koala conservation by supporting organizations, spreading awareness, and advocating for policies that protect koalas and their habitat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.